When you buy an air fryer just because it's cheap, you often run into problems, toxic coatings, uneven cooking, and parts that wear out fast. That's why glass air fryers are becoming so popular. They're safer, easier to clean, and you can actually see your food cooking. In this video, I'll reveal the best glass air fryers for US homes models that deliver on safety, performance, and durability. Stay with me till the end, because I'll share the one mistake most people make when shopping for an air fryer, and it could save you from wasting money. Glass air fryers might look sleek and modern, but if you don't choose carefully, you could end up with uneven cooking, cracked glass, or a bulky appliance that never leaves the counter. Start with the glass material. Always look for borosilicate or tempered oven-safe glass, which can handle high heat and sudden temperature changes without cracking. One of the biggest mistakes people make when buying an air fryer is choosing a model that looks stylish but is way too small for their cooking needs. A 3 to 5 quart size is ideal for most US families, while larger households or frequent entertainers may prefer a bigger bowl. The heating system is just as important. Strong, even airflow is what gives you crisp fries and perfectly cooked wings instead of soggy results. Make sure the fryer has adjustable temperature and timer controls, not just preset modes, so you can fine-tune for different foods. Ease of cleaning is another deal breaker. Choose a model with a dishwasher-safe glass bowl and removable accessories, so grease doesn't build up in hard-to-reach spots. Safety is also key. Look for overheat protection, cool touch handles, and non-slip bases to make daily use worry-free. And finally, always check that the brand offers US-based support and accessible replacement parts, since glass bowls and trays can wear over time. With this and other factors in mind, we've selected the top 5 glass air fryers for US homes that you can buy from Amazon. All the best buying links are in the description. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the NutriChef 5.8 quart air fryer, a sleek and compact machine that proves great things really do come in small packages. With 8 preset cooking modes, including shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, chicken, and even a defrost function, you can whip up a variety of meals without the guesswork. The adjustable temperature control goes up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, paired with a timer that runs up to 60 minutes, giving you full control over your cooking. Its 1200 watt heating element ensures quick preheating and faster cooking, while the 360 degrees hot air circulation technology makes sure everything cooks evenly and comes out with that perfect crisp. The LED touchscreen and transparent viewing window let you keep an eye on progress without interrupting the cooking cycle. Customers praise its performance, especially for small households. Many find it's the ideal size for 1 or 2 people, with one reviewer noting it fits 2 salmon fillets perfectly. The glass basket gets lots of positive feedback for being more durable and cleaner than plastic, though a few found this 14.5-pound fryer a bit heavy to handle. Overall, people love how easy it is to use, clean, and store. If you're looking for compact design, reliable cooking, and simple cleanup, this one is worth considering. Now, if you think number 5 is impressive, just wait until you see number 4, a model that takes things up a notch with even more convenience and style. Coming in at number 4 is the Boswell 4.5 quart glass air fryer, a stylish and versatile appliance that doubles as your all-around cooking partner. This 12.77 pounds fryer runs on 1050 watts of power, with a cooking output of up to 1200 watts. Powered by its advanced 360 degrees hot air circulation system, this air fryer ensures every ingredient is surrounded by consistent heat for even cooking. Its standout feature is the transparent glass body, which lets you watch your food as it cooks without needing to lift the lid and lose heat. From delicate slow roasts to quick, crispy fries, you'll always know exactly when your food is ready. The fryer includes 5 preset one-touch programs: seafood, baked fries, steak, chicken, and more, making it easy to cook favorites with zero guesswork. Plus, the manual timer runs from 5 to 60 minutes, while the adjustable temperature reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you more freedom than many standard air fryers. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its non-toxic coating that prevents food from sticking. Both the glass liner and stir-fry basket can be washed by hand or popped into the dishwasher. To sweeten the deal, Boswell includes handy extras like insulated gloves, silicone mats, clamps, and even recipe ideas to inspire your next meal. Customers love its compact size that still accommodates 2 meals, and many praise how evenly it cooks, with one user saying it outperforms a convection oven and makes chicken wings extra crispy. For the latest prices, check the links in the description and grab yours on Amazon. But stay tuned, because number 3 brings even more capacity and power to the table. Taking the number 3 spot is the Kissmile 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer, a compact yet powerful appliance that makes cooking simple, fast, and delicious. With 5 pre-programmed modes, it takes the guesswork out of meals, meals, just press a button and go. Roast meats at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for juicy results. Re-roast at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for extra crispness. Deep roast frozen snacks. Broil at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly seared steaks. Or keep food warm until serving. Powered by a 1500 watts turbo heater, this smart air fryer delivers healthier meals with speed and precision. The dual crystal glass bowls give you flexibility for any occasion. The 2.6 quart bowl is perfect for quick solo meals, while the larger 4.7 quart bowl handles family dinners or weekend gatherings. Made from durable, non-toxic glass that's PFAS-free and BPA-free, you can enjoy fresh flavors without any plastic aftertaste. Customers especially like the clear design, which lets them monitor food as it cooks. Compact and travel-ready, this air fryer fits small kitchens, dorms, RVs, and cabins with ease. The bowls stack neatly for storage, while non-slip feet keep it steady on the counter. Cleanup is simple too. Just pop the glass bowls in the dishwasher and you're done. Customers praise its style, ease of use, and compact size, noting it's perfect for 1 to 2 people. One even called the chicken the best they've ever had, while others highlight its ability to deliver crispy fries and juicy chicken wings. This 16.72 pounds air fryer adds portability and a stylish glass design that's perfect for modern, space-saving kitchens. Don't forget, all the best purchase links are in the description. But stick around, number 2 takes things even further with more capacity and power. At number 2, we have the NuWave Bravo Pro Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a powerhouse designed for speed, precision, and versatility. The NuWave Bravo Pro isn't a glass air fryer, but it gives you the same visibility advantage with its tempered glass door, letting you monitor your food as it cooks. With its newly engineered 2025 fan and housing, this 14.4-pound air fryer delivers fan speeds up to 100% faster, cooking 3 times quicker than standard models. That means golden brown meals that are also 35% crispier, perfect for anyone who loves crunch without the weight. What sets the Bravo Pro apart is its upgraded ultra-fast convection system. By combining top and bottom heating elements, it eliminates uneven cooking, even on multiple racks. Compared to other brands, it's twice as uniform and efficient, saving both time and energy. This 1800-watt oven packs in 10 preset cooking functions, from air fry and bake to pizza, toast, and even dehydrate. Plus, you can fully customize heating zones by adjusting the ratio of top to bottom heaters, along with fan speed. Want a thick pizza with gooey melted cheese on top and a crunchy crust underneath? Just dial in 70% power to the bottom and 30% to the top. Done. With a wide temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and space to fit a 12-inch pizza, a 4-pound roast, or a family-sized batch of fries, this 21-quart oven is compact yet big on performance. The enhanced white digital display makes it intuitive and interactive, while PFAS-free accessories ensure safety for the whole family. Customers say it's a high-quality appliance that heats quickly, bakes evenly, and fits beautifully in small kitchens or RVs. They also love the multiple functions and sleek design, calling it a go-to for quick-baked meals. If number 3 impressed you, then this Bravo Pro clearly steps it up with its speed, precision, and customization. Want the latest prices? Just head to the links in the description. But before you decide, stick around. Our number 1 pick tops them all. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system, designed to deliver full-size performance in a compact, easy-to-store package. This 15.37 pounds air fryer packs a stronger punch at 1,500 watts. At its heart is the Crispi Power Pod, which gives you the power of a traditional air fryer right in the palm of your hand. Paired with 2 clean, crisp glass containers, a 6-cup for quick personal meals, and a 4-quart that can handle a full 4-pound chicken with veggies, this system adapts to both solo cooking and family feasts. With 4 versatile functions, Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp, you can prepare everything from crispy fries to baked casseroles and even bring leftover pizza back to life. The clean, crisp glassware is non-toxic, durable, and dishwasher safe, making both cooking and cleanup simple. For added convenience, Ninja includes an adapter so the Power Pod works with the larger container, plus leak-proof lids for safe storage or meals on the go. Customers highlight its excellent cooking ability, praising how well it air fries, bakes, and reheats. Many love the compact size and genius design of the smaller container, while others appreciate how fast it cooks compared to a traditional oven, often preparing meals in about 15 minutes. The dishwasher-safe parts are another favorite, making cleanup stress-free. If you thought number 2 impressed with its style and portability, this Ninja Crispi system goes even further by combining versatility, speed, and smart design in one package. It's compact, powerful, and built for everyday convenience. For the latest prices, check the links in the the description, we've added Amazon links to make it easy. That's it for our roundup of the best glass air fryers. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to save even more time in the kitchen, don't miss our next video, 5 best food processors for US home. Hit like if this helped you out, subscribe for more smart kitchen finds.